You fans are my sunshine, my only sunshine. I hope I make you happy when your skies are grey. And please, don't take my sunshine away. We're talking about the sun. The reason why we have a solar system is we have a sun. It is, as you've seen, the brightest object in our sky. It is 150 million kilometers from our Earth. We don't like to talk about 150 million kilometers, so we give it a special unit. One astronomical unit, one AU, a big A and a big U, one astronomical unit, is the distance from the Earth to the Sun. That's how we define it. Believe it or not, the Earth and the Sun were all formed about 4.5 billion years ago. We know from methods we have for dating things, and I'm going to say something now which is even more fascinating. We know the age of the universe. The universe is 13.77 billion years. We know it quite accurate. We actually measured it. We can measure the age of the universe. And we have it very, very accurate. Let me tell you a little story about my life. Many years ago, 2006, I think, I went to a meeting in Weihai, Shandong province. And I was there with my boss, who was a female. And at the meeting, one man said, "Are you her postdoc?" Which means I'm probably about 30 years old. And then out walking one night with my boss and her mother, someone said, "Are you her mother?" Meaning I was probably about 80 years old. So the error on my age is much worse than the error on the age of the universe. The Sun is a very, very normal star, middle-aged star, about 4.5 billion years old. It will continue for another few billion years before it will die. And sometimes people say, "Oh, I don't want to drive a second-hand car." No, but you live with a second-hand sun. The universe is 13.77 billion years old. The sun is only 4.5 billion years old. It is believed there was a star here before. It exploded. The matter goes out. We can talk about that, how this happens, how a star and a solar system are formed. The matter is thrown out very far because it's hot. But as it cools down, gravity pulls it back together again. And it is believed that our star, our sun, was a star before. It's a second-hand star. And as I said, or I should say, it takes light 8.3 minutes to come from the sun to us. So, how does the sun generate energy? Is that what keeps us warm and gives us light? It's actually nuclear reactions. In the center of the sun is very, very hot. Very, very hot. We believe around 15 million degrees C. We cannot measure that because we cannot go to the sun and do that. But our models tell us the center of the sun is around 15 million degrees C. And there a nuclear process called fusion. Hydrogen comes together, forms helium, and gives out lots of energy. That energy trickles its way through the layers of the sun and finally reaches the surface when it becomes light and heat. That is what keeps us warm, gives us light. So that is our home. As I said, the most unique feature. It's a normal, everyday normal star. But it's not a normal everyday star. It has one unique feature that we have not found so far around any other star. It has Earth, a planet at the right distance for the temperature to be good enough for life. We have not found that anywhere else so far. our sun is unique as far as we know so far. People are looking every day. So our planet and the other planets orbit around the sun, I demonstrated the moon orbiting the Earth. We would think that the orbit should be circular. It's not. No orbit is circular. So my question for you today, why? Why are the orbits not circular? Thank you.